I want to give a huge thanks to Sprint for sponsoring today's video. Hey guys, it is, oh, I don't even know what time it is, 9 o'clock in the morning maybe, and poor Oakley man is having a really hard time. He's been like really gassy the last week or so, and it's just been getting worse and worse. So I have cut dairy, and I'm still working on getting that out of my system to see if that's gonna help him. But for now, he's just really uncomfortable, and it's so sad to watch him just be in pain because he's otherwise a really happy baby. We had a super rough night last night, and he woke up less than every single hour. So I feel like we were just up all night, and now he's just, I can't soothe him. I can't do anything to make him comfortable. So we are gonna try and give him a bath, and this is actually gonna be his very first bath. His umbilical cord took a long time to fall off, and then we just have been really busy and haven't given him his first bath. So today's the day, and we're gonna see if maybe the warm water will help him just relax a little bit and feel better. Can't tell if you like it. Make your tummy feel good? Get a bath, he's getting all clean. You think he likes it? Yeah? You gonna help?
Water baby water.
Did so good, you didn't even cry one time.
I don't try.
He's getting all dry. Emmy wanted to help so badly, didn't you? You can play in it now. Good job, bub. Hopefully that'll make you feel better. Hey guys, first of all, I want to give a huge thanks to Sprint for sponsoring today's video. And then I also want to share with you something that is kind of cool that Sprint just recently came out with called Sprint Complete. And one of the features of Sprint Complete is online password protection tools that help you protect all of your accounts that you have access to via your phone. So banks, social media, payment accounts, etc. You are able to manage and kind of keep track of all those accounts, link them via this app instead of how I used to do it, which was put it all in that little notes app on your phone, and that is totally unsecure. If any like stranger had access to your phone, they could easily have access to all your business, and that's kind of frightening. We have definitely been hacked in the past. Some of our accounts have been, and so thank you Sprint for coming out with this, because now we have just peace of mind knowing that all of our accounts are kind of kept in order and kept track of via this app. So that is really cool. And the second thing that is special to us, so I actually had mentioned this a few videos back, but I dropped my phone and I cracked my screen. It was shattered, and I wish that I could blame it on my 2-year-old toddler for dropping my phone, because normally she's the one who does drop my phone, but no, it was me. I dropped my phone, shattered the screen, and because of my job, I have to have a working phone. If I'm out and about, which happens quite a bit, in order to keep doing my work, I have to have my phone. So having a shattered screen just would not work for me. So I knew going in to get my screen replaced, I thought this is gonna cost me an arm and a leg, but fortunately, because we do have Sprint Complete, we were able to replace the screen on my phone for $29 as opposed to the $150 that it would normally cost if we did not have Sprint Complete. So 2 incredibly cool features. I mean, there are a million other things that Sprint Complete can do, but these are just 2 of the features that we were particularly excited about, and I wanted to share it with you. So to find out more information for yourself, you can head over to sprintcomplete.com and switch to Sprint today. We got everybody together and out the door at 11:45. And it's a lot harder, let me tell you, to get out of the house with 2 kids as opposed to just the one. And we thought we were struggling with just the one, but there they are back there. Emmy, can you say hello? hi, friends. And then sweet little Oakley man's back there too. We are trying to figure out what we're gonna do. We always do this. We never have a plan. We just get in the car and start driving somewhere. But I think we're gonna grab some lunch. That is my #1 priority. And then we were talking about going downtown and just walking around, because Charleston has a really cool like downtown area with lots of shopping, and it's just nice and quaint. So we might do that. First things first, we gotta get some food. Update, we decided to go to Okra Grill for lunch, which is one of our favorite restaurants here in Charleston. It's really good Southern food. So if you are ever in Charleston, that's like the place that we totally recommend. It's so yummy. Hey, where are we going to lunch? Say Okra Grill.
Okay, go.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Lunch did not go quite as smoothly as we had hoped. Emmy was being kind of a little stinker. And I have been trying to avoid dairy the last week, and I accidentally had butter. I just wasn't even thinking, and we ate at a Southern restaurant and like butter's just everywhere. So that was kind of a bummer. And then we were leaving and Emmy really wanted to play on this giant Adirondack chair that they have outside the restaurant, and it was really wet, so we didn't want her to play on it. Well, she lost it. So we are here at a park. We drove just a little bit down the road and we're at a park, so we're gonna let her run around and hopefully get some of her crazy energy out.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merchant change, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
Looking kind of sleepy because we all just, well, except for Andrew, all just took naps. Emmy took a nap, Oakley took a nap, and I kind of just rested. And Andrew went and ran some errands and grabbed stuff to cook dinner. He is the champ. But he's cooked us spaghetti for dinner. That's what sounded good. So we're gonna eat dinner right now. I just put Oakley down in the rock and play to see if he'll sleep in there. He's been like not sleeping anywhere, but wanting to sleep on me, or he will sleep in the car seat, but I can hear him and they're waking up, so. Yummy. Hi, Bob.
I'm gonna see right here.
Do you want to help Mama make some cookies?
The cake.
Yeah, you want to help Mama make a cake?
Okay.
She loves to help me bake anything. Okay, can I talk? Look, let's talk to my friends really quick and tell them what we're gonna do. You want to? Come here. Come here, let's talk to our friends.
Hi, guys.
Okay, so right now I'm going to be making they're called Booby Bites, but they're basically just lactation, like cookie ball things. They're no bake though. They're so delicious. I have shared them on my Instagram stories several times and you guys went nuts over them. So I thought I would show you guys how to make it in a YouTube video. But they're seriously so good and I have a really hard time not eating them all in one day. So I will do 1 cup of the oats, half a cup, and then 1 cup. Emerson is putting in the half a cup of flax seeds. Good job, babe. And then 1 cup of shredded coconut. Woo! Okay. This is half a cup of chocolate chips. Bless you, that's you. This is 1/3 of a cup of honey. Okay, and this is half a teaspoon or half a tablespoon of the brewer's yeast. Thanks, Emmy. And then I just kind of eyeball a teaspoon of vanilla. Hey, are you ready to help Mama mix this up? Can you mix it up? Not with that one, with this spoon. Mix it up real good. This is always a dangerous situation. Woo! So this is what it looks like after you have mixed it all up. You literally just throw everything in the bowl and then mix it up. And then if it's a little bit on the softer side, like this is kind of on the softer side, then you can put it in the refrigerator for a little bit just to get it to solidify a little bit. And then I'm going to roll these into balls and store them in the fridge, and they're so delicious as just a snack whenever I am hungry, because I am breastfeeding right now, so I feel like I'm always hungry. The middle of the night, it is great for the middle of the night feedings, or even I eat them for breakfast sometimes.
I make it orange juice.
If you spill your orange juice on Mommy's cookies, I'll be very sad.
I'll be sad.
So this is what the cookies ended up looking like. They're not glamorous, but man, are they tasty. I also have gotten a lot of questions about whether or not those of you who are not breastfeeding can make these and eat these, and yes, you totally can. And you can just omit the brewer's yeast because you wouldn't need that in there. But yeah, totally you can make these, and in fact, you'll want to make these. Oh, our handsome guy. Is this your grumpy time of night? Yeah. I'm in my bathroom, our master bathroom, because I just put Oakley down in our room and I don't want to wake him up, so I'm in here trying to be a little bit quiet. But Oakley has not been sleeping well at all. He's been waking up every 45 minutes to every hour at night, and it is taking its toll on me. He's super, super gassy. Normally he's a very happy baby and just like a really chill baby. But when he's got, you know, these tummy troubles, then I notice a difference and I know that he's in pain, and it breaks my heart to see it. So like I said earlier, I am cutting dairy to see if that's gonna help him with his tummy. I know it takes a while to get dairy out of your system and out of your baby's system, so we still have a ways to go to see if it's actually going to make a difference, but I'm willing to do it if it's going to help him. Other than today, I totally blew it. But to help him just like settle and relax a little bit, and I'm hoping that this works to get him just to sleep longer stretches tonight, I gave him a bath. His umbilical cord took a really long time to fall off. He's 3 weeks old. He's 3 weeks old. And today was the first day that he got his very first bath. So I gave him another bath tonight. This one was like a more legit bath. I used shampoo on him and got him really clean. And then the soap that I used has like very calming essential oils in it. So I'm hoping that that's going to help him relax. And then I put a baby lotion on that also has some essential oils in it that are just like really calming and relaxing. So hopefully between the bath, the baby wash and lotion that I used, and then I fed him really well, hopefully he will sleep a little bit better tonight. I'm really hoping, because you know, it's that newborn life. Like I know that that is just gonna happen, but it's really starting to take a toll on me, and I'm just starting to feel really, really tired and burnt out, and I need my energy to be the best mom that I can be to these babies. So I'm really hoping that he does a little bit better tonight so that we all can get some rest. But I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and enjoyed just seeing a little bit of a glimpse into our lives. I can hear him awake. Gosh, poor thing. Night times are definitely the worst for him. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. Follow us on Instagram so you can hang out with us on a more day-to-day basis there. And I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.